Hey everyone, today we're tackling Ohio's amazing Olentangy River Trail from the Arena District to Worthington. 13.3 miles from downtown Columbus all the way up to Worthington. We'll hit Antrim Park, cross historic bridges, and ride alongside this beautiful river.
Stick around for my favorite stops and hidden gems. Let's ride!
17 miles, the pavement's calling from Worthington down where the city's sprawling. Trees arch high and the river bends, starting the day where the sunlight blends. Every mile feels like I'm free, rolling with the breeze, just you and me. Rolling down the Olentangy, past the parks where the kids ride happy, from high bank shade to the downtown glow, through Clintonville streets where the gardens grow. Life feels brighter every mile I see, rolling down the Olentangy. Crossing the bridges, the water's gleaming, campus alive with the Buckeyes dreaming. Runners pound where the bikers glide, the river's song keeps time with the ride. Every turn's a story new, painted skies of scarlet too. Rolling down the Olentangy, past the parks where the kids ride happy, from Antrim Lake to the city scene, through shady trails where the grass stays green. Oh, life feels brighter every mile I see, rolling down the Olentangy. The Soto's nearing, Columbus cheering, downtown lights meet the riverside. This trail's my home, my freedom ride. Picnic tables, the families gather, joggers wave as the bikers scatter. Autumn leaves paint the path with fire, but the trail rolls on and never tires. Every season, every ride.
As we round the bend on the Olentangy Trail, an imposing structure emerges from the Columbus skyline, Ohio Stadium, better known as the Shoe. This horseshoe-shaped colossus was constructed in 1922 at a cost of $1.3 million, with architects drawing inspiration from Rome's ancient Colosseum and Pantheon. The distinctive open end facing the Olentangy River has become one of college football's most recognizable silhouettes. With a capacity exceeding 102,000, Ohio Stadium ranks as the fourth largest on-campus stadium in America. On autumn Saturdays, this concrete monument transforms into a sea of scarlet and gray, housing what many consider the most passionate fan base in college sports. Trail riders should note that during major construction periods, the Olentangy Path reroutes east through Buckeye Grove. This stretch offers cyclists a unique perspective of the collegiate athletics cathedral. Since its inaugural game over a century ago, more than 36 million spectators have filled these stands. Today, we join a different kind of procession, one measured in pedal strokes rather than touchdowns, as the trail carries us past this monument to Ohio's sporting heritage. Next up, Como Park, a perfect 21-acre rest stop right on the Olentangy River. You've got parking, restrooms, picnic tables, and the trail runs right through both sections of the park. The real highlight? This bridge at the south end takes you across the river for even more exploring. Recently renovated and cyclist-friendly. Definitely worth the quick detour. Now this is what I'm talking about. Welcome to Antrim Lake. This stunning 122-acre park is built around a quarried lake with the Olentangy Greenway Trail running right alongside it. Talk about scenic riding. Here's what makes this spot special for cyclists. The bike path runs along the west side of the lake, while there's a separate walking path that circles the entire thing. It's a perfect setup so nobody's getting in each other's way. You've got all the essentials here: parking lots, restrooms, drinking water, basically everything you need for a proper trail break. And check this out, that's a massive accessible fishing dock where they stock rainbow trout every year. The Antrim family actually donated this land back in the day. It used to be their family farm in the 1930s. Now, it's one of the crown jewels of the Olentangy Trail. Definitely worth slowing down to take it all in. Check this out. We're rolling up on the winding Adventure Skatepark. Built in 2001, this park features over 6,000 square feet of technical challenges designed for both beginners and intermediate skaters. You got one bowl, 3 hubbas, 3 ledges, a quarter pipe, and a pyramid. Pretty solid setup. And here's the good news for trail riders. This whole Olentangy Parklands area has clean restrooms and water fountains, making it a perfect pit stop. They even have bike parking if you want to take a break and watch some skating or tennis action. And just like that, we've reached the northern endpoint of our Olentangy River Trail adventure, Worthington's beautiful Olentangy River Parklands. The main parking is right here at 600 West Wilson Bridge Road with plenty of parking by the Olentangy Valley Center. This 100-acre park is everything you need: restrooms, water, picnic areas, plus tennis courts, playgrounds, and that winding adventure skate park we saw earlier. So there you have it. 13.3 miles from downtown Columbus to Worthington along the scenic Olentangy River. We hit Ohio Stadium, Clinton-Como Park, Antrim Lake, and ended here. Whether you ride the full distance or just sections, the Olentangy Trail delivers incredible variety. Urban landscapes, university campus, natural areas, and historic neighborhoods. Thanks for riding along. If this inspired your next cycling adventure, hit that like button, subscribe for more trail explorations, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite section? Until next time, keep on pedaling.
You better like, subscribe, and comment on the video.